How to sign up for your QQ account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for QQ account. QQ is a popular instant messaging application developed by Tencent, which was originated in China. Now if you want to create QQ account, you will need to follow the steps. First of all, open any browser or use the Google search at the top and there type QQ registration and search for it. You will be presented with the search results. Here tap on this first link that appears. Now you will be taken to the official website of QQ. Here you will find this interface of QQ on your device once it loads. Here you will find 3 different boxes, where in the first box you will have to type the nickname or the name you would like to display on your QQ profile. In the second box, you will need to enter a strong password that contains 8 to 16 letters with a combination of upper and lowercase and numbers. Once you have entered your password, in the third box, you will need to enter your contact number along with the correct country code here. After you enter your contact details, in the last box, you will need to tap on this send button at the right side and the verification code will be sent to your mobile number. Once you get the code, enter it in this box. And after entering the code, tap on this little circle to agree the terms of QQ. And once you have done that, tap on this sign up now button at the bottom and then you will be able to sign up for your QQ account. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.